Hey, welcome back. So recently I put in new fender flares and it involved getting new turn signals in here to replace the stock DRLs and turn signals. And it did cause an issue with the onboard computer. So it took me a while to figure out and fix it. So figured I'd share with anyone else who's going through it. So I'm gonna start up the Jeep. And that's the issue. Turn signal lights out. And then if you do turn on the turn signals, you see the hyper blink. And it's happening on both sides. But if you go outside and take a look, you'll actually see that the turn signal works just fine. But in here, it's telling me that it's not working and I'm getting the hyperblink. So it took me a while. This is a very common problem when people are going from non-LED to LED turn signals, and that solution is pretty clear. But in my case, my turn signals were LED. I went into the taser and it was set to LED. So I actually had to take one extra step. So when I went into the taser settings, I went to lighting and I scrolled over to LED front turn signal. This was already set to yes, which kind of threw me for a loop, and I ignored that setting for a while thinking it was something else. But actually, that was the setting. If you're going from LED to LED, you actually have to go through this twice. You have to set it to no, do the full system reboot, and then come back in and turn it back to yes. And once you do that, we're going to go through the entire reboot process, and we'll let this count down, and we're going to do the full 2 system cycles, and we'll be right back. All right, we've gone through the full reboot process, and we're going to start her up. And we can turn on the turn signal. We're not getting hyperblink, and we're not getting the error message. And outside, it's still working perfectly. Yeah, so if you're ever changing out your fender flares and you're going to new LEDs for the turn signals, even if you're going LED to LED, go into your taser, shut off the LED for the front turn signals, and turn it back on. That should fix it for you. Until next time.